Hello guys, Dr. po and welcome sa day 16 ng ating 30 days Photoshop tutorial. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about neural filters. So these are our new features of Photoshop way back 2020 where they added this artificial intelligence structure sa paggamit ng filter sa loob ng Photoshop. So, umpisa na natin. So let's begin by going to filter and then neural filters. So on the right side of my screen here, you can see the neural filters palette. Maglo-load ng konti yan and it will show you some list ng filters na pwede nyo paglaruan. So I'll be showing maybe 3 smart portrait and colorize, and then I could also show you the makeup transfer, and then the rest it's up to you, paano nyo kalikutin. But again, these filters are straightforward, easy to use, may mga button sliders ka lang kakalikutin and then magti-take effect na sa inyong mga photo. Now, to activate a specific kind of filter, you just click the button here. Yan. And then, let's try to play with the sliders here. Happiness. So, facial age. Okay. So, pwede natin paglaro ng expression, facial features ng mukha using this filter. So, as I adjust my happiness to maybe +6 or +8, and then sometimes it'll take seconds to take effect. There you go. So, if hindi nyo masyadong na-catch yung pag-effect niya, you can click this icon here, show original, parang show before and after. Yan, para mas ma-appreciate nyo na nagbago talaga yung facial feature. Hindi lang yung sa lips na nagbago, pati yung mga muscles sa mukha, yung mga konting angle and coloring ng portrait, ay nag-adjust din. So, isa yan sa pwede nyong gamitin or paglaruan, yung happiness, facial age, as I adjust this maybe to 10 or 8, then you will see, yan, para nag-age ng konti yung buhok, no, nag-gray. Mas mainam ito pag trinay nyo sa mga ibang picture. And then hair thickness, as you adjust this, basically, babawasan niya, pakakapalin niya yung buhok. And eye direction, you can play around with the angle of your eyes, no? Yung hindi naman yung perfect na makukuha niyo yung angle ng eye. Pero in some, like, konting angle, magbabago. There you go. Ayun, medyo nagbago, nagbandag siya ng konti do. So, once you're done, you can select output style here. Kung gusto nyo sa ibang layer mapunta, current layer, pag in-okay ko yan, mag-merge siya dun sa original layer. So, I'm just gonna click new layer here, okay, para usually may backup tayo, no? Again, before, after. Alright? Next. So, isa to sa mga feature na gustuhan ko sa neural filter. So, I have a portrait here na naka-grayscale, na walang kulay, no? And I'm pretty sure na-discuss ko to sa mga ibang tutorials, yung pag-color ng how to colorize grayscale or old photos, and we have this colorized filter here, so you just click that and nagpa-process na siya. So in just single click, Photoshop uses artificial intelligence, uses its own magic para, ayun, parang isang click lang, nakulayan na yung old photo ninyo, no? So, napakainam. So, you can play around with the saturation here. Gusto nyo mas matingkad pa yung kulay. You can adjust the setting. You can mas vibrant, mas saturate siya. But, for me, this is okay. So I'm just gonna click OK. There you go. Next neural filter that I'm gonna show you is I find somewhat useful siguro sa mga gustong mag-makeup or for example, you have a photo of a certain, celebrity and you have your photo, close-up shot, mukha heads on, and then gusto mong kopyahin yung pagkaka-makeup niya sa mukha mo. No, you could actually do that. So, example, this is you, and this is the celebrity that you want to copy the way she put the colors in her face. So, going back doon sa picture mo, filter, whoops, filter, neural filters, and then punta tayo sa make app transfer. So activate that. And then so ayan, wala pang nangyayari. But ganito kasi, i-ask ka niya kung saan mo gustong kuhanin yung picture na pagkokopyahin niya ng makeup reference. So, usually, kung ano yung mga nakabukas dyan sa tabs ninyo ng mga photos dito, yun ang nandito. So, I'm gonna click this photo name 458766, the first one here. So, gusto ko makopya. Ayan, nagtitake effect na siya. So, we'll just wait. There you go. In just a couple of seconds, na-transfer yung makeup niya doon sa inyong portrait. Okay? Now, wala siya masyadong, walang controls, no? Well, that's the limit of it, no? Pero kung, if you do it manually, no, you can play around with the layers and colors. Okay. So, before, after. So yun guys, yun lamang yun sa mga filters under neural filter na pwede nyong paglaruan dito sa Photoshop. So, may mga nandun pa dun sa list under the beta. You can play around with that. And I believe may mga darating pa na mga filters. Abangan nyo lang sa mga dun sa may beta. Kasi maybe after a few months ilalagay nila dun sa main list na kapag na maybe there's some people who's working with this kind of filters, and then pag na-perfect na nila, ilalagay na nila dun sa main list. Ayun guys, so sana nag-enjoy kayo sa episode na ito. And see you ulit sa mga susunod na episode natin dito sa 30 Days Photoshop Tutorial. Okay? Bye!